Come, Vanessa, you have to eat. I'm going for the tablet. You know you have to eat something to take the tablet, right?
Toniann, I'm not hungry.
It's not about being hungry or not. You have to take the tablet then. I'm not just with the heap of tablet, no more. Eat first.
Yes, mommy.
Really? So you're still not hearing nothing from Daddy?
No.
You really think it worth it if you put yourself through this because of him?
Now I'm wondering if he really loved me. I sent him messages and voice notes and telling him that I was in the hospital and nothing.
I guess for protecting marriage, you are nobody now.
You know, I bet it's that bitch trying to keep him away from me. He doesn't love her. He's just staying with her because of the kids.
Don't do this to yourself. Because if him did really care about you, him not reach out. Not even wife could have stopped that.
You don't know who she is. She's vindictive, manipulative. Should be one of them who want to bring him down if she can't get her way.
That not say, Vanessa, if him did really love you, and you would send him a message say in at the hospital, him have to reach out.
I think something is wrong. He would never just disappear like this. What if that Mullins guy kidnapped him? You know?
Vanessa, this not healthy for you, you know? You have to get back on your foot and go back to work.
I can't go back to work now, Toniann. I'm supposed to talk to people about their life, help them fix it. How can I do that? My life is a wreck. You know those people?
Sometimes people come at the shop come sit down the same way, even though it closed down, and because me have the table and the chair outside.
Oh. So, what do you plan to do with your shop?
Me have some idea, yes, but I'm not fully decided. So So I just wait until Karim come back and we decide together.
You're lucky you. You have a man. And I have to share a whole man. Did I say something?
Vanessa, get up.
What?
I say get up.
Toniann, I feel like so busy.
Get up.
Toniann.
Stop it. You need to stop. I know them say man short in a Jamaica. But you can't find yourself a next one and stop stress yourself over that one.
Toniann, you don't understand. He means the world to me. It's been almost 2 years.
2 years? But that ain't nothing. I think at 10 the way you're going over him like you and him married. You know anything about him?
I know everything about him. I know more than his wife.
You sure about that?
What are you trying to say?
Me I say the truth difficult to live with sometime. And all the time you're gonna know who you're with, you know.
Oh, Toniann, don't come with that thing again. How politicians corrupt and ray.
And because of the truth. And through you're blinded by love, you don't want to listen.
Do you know how many projects this man has spearheaded in this country? The social psychology program that I'm doing, 4 locations within this country. 4. Athleticism, he does that. He helps the kids with their gears, women empowerment, so many things.
I'm not saying no, Vanessa. But you sure him not do them something you have to cover up what him a do?
Do you know something about Everton Daily that I don't know? Are you an undercover spy or something?